Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Google app not working on Android phone. So the first solution is open your phone settings, scroll down and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Tap on show system processes and from this list, search Google. Once you get it, tap on Google, tap on force stop and tap on force stop and now check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to update our Google. To do that, open your Play Store and search here Google. If you see any update here, then you will need to update your Google app. Then check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to clear our Google cache files. So to do that, open your phone settings, search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Tap on show system processes and search here Google. Tap on Google. Tap on storage usage. Tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. Now open your Google and check the problem if fixed or not. And the fourth solution is we need to delete Google update. To do that, open your phone settings, search for app management, tap on show system processes. From this list, open Google, tap on uninstall updates and after that open your Google and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last solution is we need to remove our Google account. To do that, open your phone settings, scroll down and search for accounts and sync. Once you get it, tap on that. Tap on Google, tap on your Google account, tap on delete and after deleting your account, relog into your account and check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.